along the line extending from 11 miles to 7 miles south of Lone Rock Airport to 11 miles north of Platteville to 36 miles west of Platteville, and moving southeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. A measured wind gust of 58 miles an hour was recorded at Boscombe Airport. That was reported at 7:30. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dodgeville, Mineral Point, Darlington, Mount Horeb, Governor Dodge State Park, Spring Green, Mineral Point Airport, Belmont, Maizomanie, Yellowstone Lake State Park, Blue Mountain State Park, Blanchardville, Benton, Black Earth, Shullsburg, Argyle, Cross Plains, New Glarus, Governor Dodge State Park, and Bowie. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move to a shelter inside a strong building and away from windows.
You up, Snuff?